Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to explain what is the brand new Rotolight Magic Eye feature found in the app version 3.0 and how would I use it. One really fantastic feature that's found in the Rotolight iOS and Android app is a feature called Magic Eye. It's a patented Rotolight technology. To access the new Magic Eye feature, inside the Rotolight app, press on the color wheel you can find across the top menu bar. And inside here, you'll find an icon bottom right that says Magic Eye. Click the icon to access this feature. From here, you can then either take a photograph or choose from an existing photo in your gallery. And what this allows you to do is to sample the color from your photo, then apply that color to the light and have the light match it. This is an incredibly valuable feature if you're, for example, a commercial shoot where you have a company that wants to match a color to their brand or corporate identity logo. Additionally, if you were shooting a model and you wanted to match a color of a hair light or even sample the color of a background and have the light match to it, this can be really, really cool. So let me give you a real-world demonstration of how this works. Charlie, if you'd like to come on to set. Charlie's wearing some fantastically colorful trousers here, which are going to be perfect for this demonstration. So inside the color wheel, I press the Magic Eye icon, and I now press Take Photo. If I focus in on the trousers here, I can now use the photograph, and it now allows me to select from any of the colors inside this photo, for example, the pink, and apply that to the light, which now matches the color instantly. Once the Magic Eye has detected the color, if I want to make subtle adjustments to it, I can also press the back icon here and increase the saturation value or make a subtle adjustment on the color wheel to get exactly the color that I want. I can also save that color to any of the presets here by clicking on one of the boxes and save to preset. To access the new Magic Eye feature, you need to have firmware 3.0 installed on your light. So head on over to rotolight.com/support to download that update. And then you need to update your app. So head on over to the App Store or the Google Play Store to update your app. So that's the Magic Eye feature. It's very cool. Hit like and subscribe, guys, and head on over to rotolight.com for more information.